And if anyone is watching us now
Yes.
and would like access to legal aid,
Yes.
what is the way forward? How do they get that benefit?
Legal aid offices are all over the country.
Right.
Every state and practically all the local governments now. All you need is to open up the site. And where people do not have access to technology and all that, ask around. There is hardly any lawyer that does not know about the existence of legal aid.
In their state?
In their states. So all you need to do is ask. I have this problem. I cannot afford this lawyer. Ask any lawyer. They'll point at the legal aid office and say, go there. If you are qualified and you fit in the criteria,
Yes.
you'll be helped.
All right. Now, one of the reasons I started this series on what the law says is that after the 2015 elections, it became obvious to me that a lot of people want to know what exactly the law says, not the interpretations given sometimes by political office holders. So I got a list of things that I thought you could provide answers for the benefit of my viewers and everyone else. First of all, you've been following events politically. You know that a Senate president has emerged. Now, there is a question about the legality of his emergence. Some people say that the president ought to have inaugurated the Senate before the Senate members could sit down to elect their principal officers. Is that true, or what exactly does the law say?
Well, I think it's actually the other way around. If you look at the standing orders of the Senate, it is senators elect that elect their leader or their leaders.
Okay.
It's the other way around.
So there won't be senators elect if the Senate has been inaugurated.
That's right. So once you have elected them, from all the evidence available, the president did send a letter that come on this day at 10 o'clock and start your business. That is the effect of the president's letter. So the senators go there as senators-elect and follow their standing orders and elect their leaders. And that is done.
They don't have to wait to see the face of the president in the Senate before they do that.
Necessary. You see, we must begin to also appreciate the doctrine of separation of powers. The National Assembly as an institution is a branch of government on its own.
It's not beholden to the executive.
It is not at all. In fact, for the president to come there, is usually invited. He doesn't say, look, meet me there. And you will see that there was a rumor or reality of some meeting to be held somewhere else with the president and some senators from a particular political party. If the president had all those powers over the National Assembly, the president will call for the meeting inside the National Assembly and say, please meet me in this hall.
Inside the
National Assembly. Then when we finish there, then we can go into the main chamber for the business of the day. But it doesn't work like that. Once he has sent the letter, then the business can start. So I think what we just saw was more of political maneuvering. Some
people more experienced in the Senate rules.
I should think so. I should think so. You know, but you know, they should sort out themselves very quickly so that we can
move on. And one of the points